Hi guys, this is Balaji from CSC department. In this video, we are going to discuss about test driven development. What is test driven development? Test driven development is a software development approach in which test cases are developed to specify and validate what the code will do. In simple terms, test cases for every each and every functionalities are created and tested first, and if the test fails, then the new code is written. Otherwise, it goes into it in order to pass the test and making code simple and bug free. Test driven development starts with designing and developing tests for every small functionality of an application. TDD frameworks instructs developers to write new code only if an automated test has failed. This avoids duplicates of code. Its mean does not contain the same code. How to perform TDD test? To perform TDD test, we have to add a test and run all the tests and see if any new test fails. If it fails, we have to write a new code. Write some code and run test and refactor code and repeat this function. See this right side picture. This helps to understand easily. TDD also promotes confirmatory testing of your application code and detailed specification. Both acceptance test and developer test are inputs for TDD. And the developer test is also known as unit test. And then acceptance test is always in detailed requirements. So it is known as detailed requirements or acceptance test. TDD makes code simpler and clear, which means we can easily understand, and the code is very simple. It allows the developer to maintain less documentation. There are two levels of TDD: acceptance TDD, ATDD. With the help of acceptance TDD, you write a single acceptance test. This test fulfills the requirements of the specifications or specifies the behavior of the system, which means this fulfills the specifications or satisfy the requirement of the behavior of the system. After that, write just enough production or functionality code to fulfill the acceptance test. Acceptance test forces on the overall behavior of the system. ATDD, also known as behavioral driven development, which is BDD. Developer TDD. With developer TDD, you write single developer test, unit test, and then just enough production code to fulfill the test. That unit test forces on every small functionality of the system. Developer TDD is simply called as TDD. The main goal of ATDD and TDD is to specify detailed executable requirement of your solution on a just-in-time based JIT. JIT means taking only those requirements is consideration that are needed in the system. So increases efficiency. Advantages of TDD: it is easily bug notification, better designed, clear and more extensible code, confidence to refactor, good for teamwork and good for developers. With the help of right side picture, you can easily understand it. Thank you for watching this video.